In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an account in ChatGPT. By remove, we're focusing on signing out the account from your current device, not permanently deleting it. This is useful if you've switched accounts, you're on a shared computer, or you simply want to make sure the wrong account isn't active. Start by looking at the bottom left corner of your ChatGPT window. You'll see your profile picture or initial there. Click it once to open a small menu. This menu is your quick hub for account options. Now, move your mouse over your profile in that small menu again. Hovering here reveals the account switcher if you have more than one account available. This is important because you want to make sure you're working with the exact account you plan to remove from this device. From the list that appears, select the account you'd like to remove. When you click it, you're switching into that account, so the next action applies to the correct one. Give it a second to refresh if needed. You're now acting within the account you want to sign out. Next, go back to the same place, the bottom left corner. Click your profile again to open the small menu. In that menu, look for the Logout option. Click Logout and you're done. That signs the selected account out of ChatGPT on your current device or browser. There's no extra confirmation in most cases, so once you click, the session ends and you should see the sign-in screen or a prompt to log in again. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't immediately see the account switcher when you hover, try moving your cursor slightly or clicking the arrow next to your profile name in the menu. Interface layouts can update over time, but the profile button in the lower left corner and the logout option in its menu are consistent anchors to look for. If multiple accounts are active, always switch into the one you intend to remove before logging out so you don't accidentally sign out the wrong session. Remember, logging out removes the account only from this device's session. It doesn't delete your account or any of your data. You can sign back in at any time with your usual credentials. And if you're on a shared computer, it's a good habit to log out whenever you're finished to keep your conversations private. That's all there is to it. Quick, clear, and effective.